Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of aquatic wonders with the best 20-gallon fish tank available in the market. Introducing the Tetra ColorFusion Aquarium 20-gallon fish tank kit. This isn't just any aquarium. It's a complete ecosystem designed to bring joy and tranquility to any space. Let's talk about what makes this tank stand out. First off, the LED lighting. With vibrant colors and a seamless transition, it transforms your aquarium into a mesmerizing underwater spectacle. And guess what? You can pause the cycle on any color to match your mood or decor. But that's not all. The included anemones not only add a pop of color but also provide your fish with a cozy hideaway. And the Tetra plants? They come alive under the ColorFusion LED, creating a lush underwater landscape. Now, let's talk practicality. This kit includes everything you need: a 20-gallon glass aquarium, an aquarium hood, a hull heater, a Tetra Whisper 20 filter, and of course, the ColorFusion Universal Color Changing LED. It's all about convenience and efficiency. With its modern design and lightweight construction, this aquarium seamlessly blends into any space, whether it's your living room, office, or bedroom. Plus, it's easy to assemble, making it perfect for beginners and seasoned aquarists alike. So, if you're looking to elevate your aquatic experience, look no further than the Tetra ColorFusion Aquarium 20-gallon fish tank kit. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more unbiased reviews. Until next time, happy fish keeping!